song. It's called Only Jesus Love Is Okay. And just listen to it. I tried to write a Christmas song, and yeah, it goes like this. Just tell me, do you like this song? If you don't, I'll try and change it. Tell me what to change inside it. Yeah, and I have instrument, uh, guitar, but you know, I need someone to teach me how to play it. I don't know the first thing about the guitar. I just know it stands there. It looks good. I try some days to play it, doesn't come. I try singing other people's songs. Sometimes it's too fast for me. Sometimes it's too slow. And then I told myself, why don't I write my own songs? You see? Because God gave me a gift and I should use it. And I wrote it and I'm thankful for the gift. That's why I told myself to write a song about Jesus. What's the song's name? Only Jesus' love is okay this Christmas. But just listen to it, let it get out there, let the Christians know, my people, let them know that Jesus loves them and there is gifts out there.